Ayan, thank you, TJW. Seller, pinadala nyo kami ng book para kay Ethan. Wow! Ang dami no. Nakita natin. Ayan, no? Na numbers, colors, animals, letters. Okay. Gusto mo? Tingnan natin yung mga pictures. Tingnan natin yung mga pictures. Ito yung numbers. Pwede natin ma-open eh. Slowly lang, slowly. Wow. How about this one, yung colors? Yung colors. Wow, may mga snake. Ito yung colors. Wow, may mga fruits. Nagustuhan mo? Ha? Do you like it? Do you like it? Oh, may flowers. Sige, open mo lang. Open mo lang. Wow, may elephant. Look at that. What's this? This is elephant. Colors. Wow. Truck. This is truck. Wow. How about this one? Numbers. Getting excited. Slowly lang pag scan ng page. Wow, this is rainbow. How about that one? Thank you, seller. Approve. Approve.